guys, welcome to your Monday phonics lesson. We're going to start with our rhyming where I'm going to say two words and you're going to give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, a thumbs down if it doesn't. So you're going to repeat after me. Rock, sock. Car, back. White peak. Best nest. Sun, fun. Great job. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say two words and then I'm going to say the first sound that both of those words start with. Listen to me, then it's your turn. Pay, pick, p. How, hope, h. Man, mice, Day, did, d. Baby, bird, b. Great. Our next one, we're blending syllables. We're going to use our choppers today. So we're going to, you're going to repeat after me the two parts of a word, and then we're going to blend the word together. Here's our first one. Own, owner. Turkey. Teaching. Pillow. Enjoy. All right, next one, we're going to do our roller coaster where we're going to listen for that middle sound. You're going to do the roller coaster with me, and then you're going to say that middle sound afterwards. All right, our first word is cat. At. Middle sound? Ah, good job. Next word, hen. N. Middle sound? Eh. Pig. Ig. Eh. Mom. Aw. Aw. Bug. Ugh. Very good. All right, our next one, we're going to work with our syllables again, but this time we're going to say the whole word, then chop it up. So watch me first, then it's your turn. Muffin. Muff-in. Hammer. Hammer. Dirty. Dirty. Jungle. Jungle. Neatest. Neatest. Very good. All right, our next one, we're going to be adding syllables to our words. So we're going to start out with a word, and you're going to add an ending. You're going to repeat those after me, and then we're going to clap it together at the same time. All right, your word is list. Add ed. Listed. Want. Add ed. Wanted. Heat. Add ed. Heated. Rent. Add ed. Rented. Rest. Add ed. Rested. Very good. All right, our next one is deleting. So we're going to have a whole word that we're going to hold in our hands. Then we're going to take away a part of that word. All right, you're going to repeat after me. Coldest. Without est, what's left is cold. Brightest. Without est, what's left is bright. Largest. Without est, what's left is large. Strongest. Without est, what's left is strong. Very good. This week with our rhymes, they're all review from the last couple weeks. So today we're going to say a whole rhyme. You're going to listen to me say the whole thing, and then you're going to see if you can say the whole thing. All right? And then if you want to do it together, just back up your video a little bit and you can do it with me the second time. All right? This one is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. Your turn. Great job. All right, and remember, if you want to say it with me, just back up your video a little bit and we can say it at the same time. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.